Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we'll explore a powerful feature in OKRify, the OKR Risk feature. With OKR Risk, you can identify, list, and track the potential risks that may impact your OKRs. This gives your team better visibility and helps manage challenges before they become blockers. In the OKRify hub, each OKR has a risk icon located next to the confidence indicator. To create risks for an OKR, simply click on the risk icon. This will open a pop-up where you can begin defining the risks related to your objective. By default, you'll see two risk items automatically created, named Risk 1 and Risk 2, under a group titled Risk. You can rename both the risk items and the group to better fit your specific OKR scenario. Let's go through a real example. Say your objective is improve customer support efficiency by 30% in Q2. To better track risks, we'll organize them into two groups. Group 1, Resource Risk. Risk 1, lack of trained support agents may delay resolution times. Risk 2, unexpected attrition in the support team. Group 2, Technology Risk. Risk 3, integration issues with new support software. Risk 4, system downtime affecting ticket handling. You can easily add more groups or risks similarly. Once the risks are defined, the next step is to activate them so you can assign a status. Here's how. Hover your mouse over the risk title at the top of the pop-up. A menu icon will appear on the left. Click on it and choose Set Active. The risk is now active for the objective. After activating, you can now assign a status to each risk. Click on the status field and choose one of the following. Identified. The risk has been recognized. Assessing. The impact and likelihood are being analyzed. Mitigating. Actions are in progress to reduce the risk. Resolved. The risk has been addressed and closed. Keeping your risks updated with the correct status helps your team stay aligned and make informed decisions throughout the OKR cycle. That's it. You've now learned how to create risks for an OKR, organize them into meaningful groups, activate and assign statuses to track their progress. Use this feature as part of your regular OKR reviews to ensure you're not just setting goals, but actively managing the path to achieve them. Thanks for watching.